In this video, we are going to walk through the locations lookups. This is to ensure that the CPIMS Plus is configured exactly to the locations that you want to have in all of the dropdowns where there are locations. For example, where is the child currently living? To start, we're going to first go to the Locations tab. At the top of the screen, in rows 1 to 11, I have a description of what I'm going to walk through now. There is a very specific format that we are going to be utilizing when we are importing locations into CPIMS Plus. It starts with the country name, which is Sudan in this case, their P code, which is SD, and then in this case we have translations. And so in Arabic, we have Sudan. If there is no locations with translations, and this is only going to be in English, you can delete any of the translation columns and only use the English columns. The headers that we have here at the top of the screen in row 13 and 14 need to maintain the same format and consistency. So you'll always have Sudan, the P code, and the translation. And if there's only English, then you will not have this translation row. Up next will be admin level 1. So here you'll have the name, the P code for admin level 1, and again the translations. You'll do this for admin level 2, the P code, and the translations. And you can continue to do this for admin level 3 and admin level 4. Once the partners have agreed to the locations that are going to be in the CPIMS Plus, you can then paste these values into an Excel spreadsheet that looks something like this. You will then need to save this file in a different format. In order to do that, first go to File, Save a Copy, Browse, and save this as the CSV UTF-8, delimited format. This is the type of format that you must have to be able to import this into the CPIMS Plus. Once saved, then you can go into the demo system to import these locations. In order to do this, you'll go into Locations under the Settings, and then in the top right-hand corner, select Import. You'll see a prompt also again asks you to ensure that the CSV file is available and it has to be UTF-8. You can then select your file by browsing your computer to find it. And once you have found that CSV file, you can now import. You can now see that the locations that I had in the Locations spreadsheet are now appearing here under the Locations tab. To verify that they're actually appearing into the cases, first refresh your screen. And this just ensures that it'll appear in all of the cases. Then go into the Cases view, create a new case, and find a form where you're able to find a location. Here you're going to be able to see the Sudan locations. There may be some default locations that appear at the top of the screen, which we will remove.